Cantal specializes in low-voltage power distribution solution, delivering engineering excellence and reliability across industries. Over the years, we had the opportunity to work with Schneider Electric. With strong in-house engineering and advanced manufacturing capabilities, we focus on delivering reliable, customized solutions with the highest standard of safety and performance.
As Schneider Electric licensee partners for Okken, we are even more committed to further solidifying our partnership with Cantal across Singapore and beyond.
Our Okken journey reflects Cantal's commitment to quality, technical competency, and continuous improvement. Through close cooperation with Schneider, our team underwent technical training and manufacturing assessment to ensure we meet the required standard of Okken solutions.
Okken Lean is built around three promises: sustainability, efficiency, and reliability. Okken Lean delivers up to 30% reduction in CO2 emission through 30% copper savings and other optimized material use. Lower power consumption, it doesn't just perform, it performs responsibly. With its innovative bus bar design, Okken Lean saves up to 30% in footprint. That means more usable space, lower installation costs, and leaner, smarter facilities. And why is it reliable? It features 24/7 wireless thermal monitoring. This enables predictive maintenance that minimizes downtime.
Customers today face increasing demand for uptime, scalability, and operational efficiency, especially in data center and semiconductor industry. Through Okken Lean and Cantal's manufacturing expertise, we deliver reliable and future-ready power distribution system to meet our customers' needs. Today, Cantal also supports Schneider Electric's EcoStruxure Asset Advisor, a cloud-based digital service that helps organizations move from reactive to proactive maintenance of their electrical systems.
Looking ahead, Schneider and Cantal will continue to deepen collaboration, driving digital innovation and sustainability for a smarter energy future.
Our journey with Schneider has further strengthened our capabilities, delivering reliable and trusted low-voltage switchboard systems. Moving forward, we are powering a smarter and more sustainable future.